So let's go to a jungle today.
When you're feeling low, lost in the dark, and all hope seems to be falling apart, just remember there's a spark inside of you, a fire burning bright, waiting to break through, yeah. Rise up, illuminate, let your spirit soar. You're a shooting star, forever so much more. Don't you let the world dim your glowing light. Let Medspiration ignite your inner fire. Yeah.
Good morning. So it's 4 o'clock right now and I am awake. We are going to spend the whole day together. So let's go to a jungle today. So it's not actually a jungle. We have our TB cycle going on, and for that we need to go in complete outskirts because TB is a very serious disease, as we all know. It is very contagious, and that is why the hospital for TB is on complete outskirts. There is nothing surrounding the hospital. So we are going to go over there. It's our second day for that cycle and I'll show you everything over there. Let's go. Also, the weather right now is quite beautiful. Most of the leaves are fallen and some have become red, yellow, brown, any color. And it's not that cold also, but it is cold and I really like this type of weather. Past this weather I really don't like it because it's snow and we have to walk, we have to wake up early and all of that. So now that the weather is nice, I'm quite happy. So I'm getting late, let's go fast. So I'm finally done with the lecture and I am back into the city, but I need to go to another hospital. If you see in the previous vlog, you might be knowing that I had some blood tests to be done last week. So the reports have come, I guess, and I need to go there because there was some issue with my blood test the last time it was done. So I have to go there and check what actually has happened so that I can correct it or get some other tests done and all of that. So we are going to go over there and go fast because I don't know until what time the hospital is open. So I have reached here near the hospital. I'm just going to go from the back because we as students are allowed to go from there, and I can get done with the things earlier. So let's go fast and see what has actually happened. I'm finally back home, and now let me tell you what actually happened once I went to the doctor. The doctor showed me my report, we checked it together, and then she told me what I should take, how I can maintain a healthy life, as I am not staying quite healthy right now. And then we went to the grocery store, we got some stuff. I wanted to buy a notebook, so I did that, and now I'm back home. I'm going to rest for a little while as I'm quite tired after the whole long day, because I am not a morning person and I can't wake up early. And I don't know why I woke up early today. So now I'll rest for half an hour or 1 hour, and then I'll sit back to studying because I have a lot of studying to be done. So that 1 hour of rest didn't go for 1 hour. I actually whiled my time for 2 hours checking my report again and again, what has actually changed and everything. Looking back at what wrong I'm doing, what is the things that I should change. And now after that I slept for an hour, and then I spent 1 hour talking to my parents. Now I'm all ready and fresh. I'm going to go make some dinner and then we'll sit and study. So I'm back after dinner, and I completely forgot that I was shooting a vlog. So there's no videos or clips of anything that I made today. It was capsicum and roti. That was all that we made today, and it was yummy. I don't know, for some reason I've started to like capsicum nowadays. If I would be at home right now, I wouldn't even touch capsicum. So that is a win for me. By staying away from home, you learn to appreciate what your mother cooks for you, and also you start liking the foods that you never liked when everything was handed to you ready-made. So now that everything is done, I am going to sit and study because I have an assignment to complete for tomorrow and some self-study to do. So let's get started. So right now it is 8:12, and now let's begin our studying and see how long it takes us to complete the whole of the studying that we have for today. Let's begin our studying. So I'm finally done for the day. I have done most of my studying. Obviously I couldn't complete the whole of the studying because I whiled my time in the evening, and also I needed a lot of time to complete the assignment that had to be completed today itself. So I couldn't complete the self-study, but it's okay because I can do it tomorrow again, and we can't force ourselves. Also, that I am awake from 4 in the morning. I am quite tired as it is 12 o'clock right now, and I just want to get my sleep. So I am going to complete my nighttime routine and just go to sleep. So I hope that you've liked this video. I really liked shooting it. I know I haven't done much. I did take a rest for quite a while today in the afternoon to the evening, but I also woke up early and I am quite happy with what I have done. I hope that you too are happy with what you are doing each and every day. And also, this is a reminder for all of you that you need to take breaks whenever your body needs it. So that is it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next week. Until then, bye bye and keep inspiring. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe as we are very close to hitting 250 subscribers. So bye bye and see you next Monday.